today's event. We are the Abeokuta Polo Club, and this is a way of us giving back to the society. This is a youth empowerment program that is our own initiative and fully sponsored by the Abeokuta Polo Club. It's an AI literacy, vibe coding, and web app development training. You are all very warmly welcomed. It is our hope that at the end of this 3 days activity, 3 days training, it would have added so much more to you, and you can in turn go back to the society and give back to the society on what you have learned here. Now, I'd like to bring on the visionary of the Abeokuta Polo Club. He was the one that birthed this club and has even been powering it.
I remember several years ago in the university, and also while consulting here and there, when we are setting up our reference, you go through the libraries and make sure that you did not miss them, where you copy a particular thing from, especially your literature review. But now it's very simple. AI has made, and technology has actually made it very easy for us to do a whole lot of things. But like I earlier said, very important for us to catch up. And one of the things, strategies, tools, ways, and modalities for us to catch up is why we are here. So once again, I welcome you.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we, with a standing ovation, bring to the microphone the president of the Abeokuta Polo Club, Dr. Sherif Adams Abdurrahman.
You're most welcome to Abeokuta Polo Club. And this is now Abeokuta Polo Club, here in Tech Hub, Ogun State, right? So we are taking charge of the facilities to train you for 3 days in AI, vibe coding, and web development. Everybody does one or two things with AI. Today mark another important step in our commitment to youth empowerment, innovations, and human capital development. We believe that the future belongs to those who possesses the knowledge and skills to leverage technology for economic growth, entrepreneurship, and societal advancement. Here at Abeokuta Polo Club, we are passionate about creating opportunities that equip young people with relevant digital skills needed to compete and thrive in today's rapidly evolving economy and world. This training is designed to expose participants to cutting-edge technology and practical knowledge that can open doors for employment, business creation, and global opportunities. We also wish to reaffirm our commitment to partnering with state governments. We are asking that Ogun State government does what? Train our people again, and especially the young one, on various technology required skills. I'm going to put a little caveat so that you will know why you are here. A lot of us actually have children in the universities that we spend so much millions on, and some of them actually not use the opportunities very well. So this can actually be the beginning of great things in your life for some of you who are just going to start relating with technology. And for some of you that are quite maybe aware in some basic way of all the things we want to train, it will be an opportunity for you to also network. So see you up and welcome. On my left, I have Adebola. From my left, I have Adebola. She is the admin officer for Abeokuta Polo Club. I have, yes, so in case you want to have any relationship with Abeokuta Polo, you can go to 4th floor at the conference hall. You meet Adebola there from 8:30 to 4:30 morning, Monday to Friday. Okay. Conference Hotel, 4th floor. Conference Hotel, just right beside us here. And from 8:30 to 4 p.m. Next, after Adebola, I have the club secretary, Engineer Yetunde Jonathan. Engineer Yetunde Jonathan works with the National Export Processing Zone, headquarters in Abuja. Very specific that I mentioned that so that we can widen what's it called now, the gap of networking, right? So she's within the project and procurement departments. So you're welcome. We also have Dr. Tomori. Dr. Tomori is, in case you actually have a horse that is dozing off while it's So Dr. Tomori is a medical doctor and is in charge of ponies' welfare, and it's been tremendously helpful to Abeokuta Polo Club. So a round of applause. Dr. Tomori owns an hospital in Abeokuta here called The Rose. You might have encountered him. So you're most welcome once again. All right, we also have, I think I will skip this so that let me start from this way so that I will then meet in the middle. I have Linda. Linda works at she's also an admin officer too with Abeokuta Polo. She's in the Polo House, Lagos. We have a place in Ogudu GRA we call Polo House to also be able to harness our members who are in Lagos. So Linda, you're welcome. We have Adewale. Adewale works on site. He's currently managing the project on site, supervising development on the 100 acres of Abeokuta Polo Club. So Adewale, you're most welcome. Okay, I'm going to jump to the middle also so that we also have Imam Tani. Imam Tani is an active member of Abeokuta Polo Club. In case you need an imam to pray for you, maybe. So you're most welcome, sir. Okay, we also have Honorable Ishak Bada. Honorable Ishak Bada is also a member of the Abeokuta Polo board. Usually we ring a bell for the board members. So, So we have Honorable Ishak Bada also sitting on the board of Abeokuta Polo Club. Okay. There's this adage, but I will skip it. You know, when the spirit is wearing a t-shirt. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. You know, when you want, taking just little time so that we can start the day. When they want to greet the king, there's this thing they used to do. Okay, we won't do that here. So we have Oronto Balufe. Oronto Balufe is a kingmaker and also the Oronto of Owu Kingdom, Abeokuta. Well-known name across so many things, including Abeokuta Polo. You're most welcome, sir. And first from the back, we have the registrar of Christland University, Reverend Bishop, in case you have mental problems or demon, he has a degree in demonology and a whole lot of other things. So I think he's fit for the office. His name is S.B. Omotosho. He is the ICT officer and the ICT and welfare officer of Abeokuta Polo Club. Please, a round of applause for everyone.
Good morning to all of us. You are welcome to this program of AI literacy, vibe coding, and web app development. I'll stand on the already established protocol and say, with the due permission of the President of Abeokuta Polo Club, Dr. Sherif Adams Abdurrahman, I welcome all of you to this special training. We have prepared for this training a long time.
Chief Abiodun Lashile, he will be giving us the royal blessing for this gathering. Thank you so much, sir.
Kó bá gbọ́ Yorùbá, so ànáwọ́ sókè.
Sir?
So gbogbo alágbọ́ wa kí n pa ènìyàn. From my own perspective, that is, yes, he told us that he mentioned 45 million of Argentina pony. Yes, it is true, but it is not enough for you to be defeated. That means you can have a kind heart towards humanity. And that is what you are enjoying here today. That it is not only that when something is expensive, when something is elitist, or something is of luxury, that cannot be benefiting it. You are benefiting from Abeokuta Polo Club today. Is an interest that even if you can't join today, you can still lead Abeokuta Polo Club tomorrow. So you are being prepared. Have it at the back of your mind. You are being prepared for a purpose in the nearest future. I'm a member of Abeokuta Sports Club. It's 1904. The oldest in West Africa. Abeokuta Polo Club of 2025, yesterday, will be 30-50, will be 50-50 sometime. Can somebody clap for that? And Oronto is here today. Oronto may not be here tomorrow. You may be here tomorrow. So strive to be able to own 45 million naira. Thank you so very much.
Point is what? Open your Gmail account which you have signed in. It is that Gmail account you open and pin that will drive all the design. It's not about your background. It's about your zeal and willingness to do what? To know. It is about what? Your zeal, passion, and willingness to know. I believe in what they call the regulation of certificate. I don't trust any certificate. Any, until you start to operate, and I can see. Like all those things are what? Communication. Then how were you able to communicate? The application. The communication was built into a technology that can be applied by both the user and the builder. Do you understand? So what is that idea that you have? One of the things you need to do is to find a way to communicate it. That is where my first speaker spoke about vibe coding. You have to be able to think about this. How do I communicate how I feel? When I communicate how I feel, how do I want the person I'm communicating to understand what I'm saying and react? Do you get it? Is there any person that does not get what a web app is? Can you raise up your hand? Oh, so I did a good job to communicate. Yeah. Okay. Yes, you can give me the right. All right.
We are the anxiety group. We created an app called NeuroCalm. The purpose of this app is for people to interact with the app to relieve their anxiety whenever they feel that they are feeling anxiety. So the purpose of this app has three main functions. Number one, when you are feeling, your body is feeling somehow, or you are feeling stressed.
Stress assessment and wellness recommendation system. So it's just to assess one's stress levels and probably how stressed you are. Now, first of all, it's actually a browser-based application whereby the person assessing it per time that can, try to get your stress level. So
this web app is strictly a lead generation for the wellness center to get people who are depression risk, all right, who are at risk of depression, for you to check your depression risk rate, for you to check and get awareness about depression, know what depression is all about, and check if you are subject to depression or if you are at the verge of death. Just like we learned yesterday, after depression, what is the next phase? So to avoid getting into coma, is essential that we get people who are at this stage and then we offer them solutions.
we have gradually come to the end.
So we are building the capacity of people technologically, because that is what is required for national development at all levels. You all agree with me that AI, vibe coding, web development, web app development is critical now to e-commerce. So Abeokuta Polo Club, like we usually will say, is not just a game of sports, it's also a lifestyle thing. So we're trying to improve the well-being, the lifestyle of our people through various technological, advancements, which we know that is going to positively contribute to the socio-economic situations and nature of the state.
You also said that at the end of this training,
Yes, to further promote the game of polo, we started what we call the Polo Clinic in Abeokuta. So this gathering or this training is an avenue for us to be able to explore and choose 10 of the best people who are willing to play the game of polo. So we train them. It means we put in resources to train these people, and of course that in turn we go back to what we intend to do: sustainable polo in Ogun State, starting from Abeokuta Polo Club.
Yes, I'm the ICT/welfare officer of Abeokuta Polo Club, and the essence of this program is a way of Abeokuta Polo Club identifying with the needs and aspiration of the contemporary youth, and that is why, as part of programs marking the first anniversary of Abeokuta Polo Club, we have decided to empower 120 youths in Abeokuta on AI literacy, vibe coding, and web app development.
Peter said, we'll let you know that a project like this is a legacy. It's not a business. It is not an interest. It's an investment of humanity over time. When we say legacy, beyond human, even if you say 100 years, if you are blessed and you have 100 years, something will still live beyond 100 years. That's what Abeokuta Polo Club is.
Hi guys, good morning. My name is Omotolani. I'm saying a very big thank you to Abeokuta Polo Club for giving me this opportunity to join this training. I came here knowing nothing about AI literacy, vibe coding, and web app. But me standing right here, I've already created like 2 apps, which I'm very glad I can able to do that. Thank you, everybody.
I'm part of this program organized by Abeokuta Polo Club, and it's a very interesting program. I'm happy to be here. So before now, I've not really have experience about how to code or programming language, but on getting to this program, I was able to learn a lot, like AI coding, vibes coding, and web app. And in this program, it has opened me to a whole lot of experience, which I can say it's a good one for us to learn. And thanks to Abeokuta Polo Club for organizing such a beautiful program for empowering youth to come and be part of this. Thank you.
My name is Ajayi Fivolo Atimile, and I'm a participant of the Tech Skill Abeokuta Polo Club organized. Before coming to the program, I don't have a knowledge at all of AI tools and tech skills, but after the third day, this third day of the program, I'm able to get a very good knowledge about AI tools and what can be used for. Thank you, Abeokuta Polo Club, for organizing this event for us. I'm really grateful.
My name is Aladisiri Victor Adiola. I want to thank Abeokuta Polo Club for this opportunity to give me more AI literacy. I learned how to build an app using AI, web development, and ways to make an income in Nigeria. Polo Group, I'm so grateful for them. Before now, I did not know much about AI literacy, but thanks to them, I'm able to use AI better. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Babatunde, journalist and a development practitioner. I want to appreciate the Abeokuta Polo Club for this opportunity to discover that there is more to AI than just Gemini and ChatGPT. Before now, I've actually been making use of Gemini, ChatGPT for researches, but up till today, I just discovered that you can build a web app using AI and also do a lot of other things with the use of AI. This knowledge will actually help me in my career, in my practice, to do more with AI. So I want to encourage you, embrace AI, and also special thanks to Abeokuta Polo Club for making this happen.
Good day, everyone. My name is Abiola Oluwapelumi. So I'm an healthcare assistant worker. So I thank Polo Club for this opportunity to be part of the program. Before I came here, I don't know anything about AI or vibe coding, web app development. But after I came here for the 3 days program, I must say I learned a lot. Things I don't imagine that I will ever know, but then I learned a lot. So, and after the program, I was able to create my own through the training process. I created an app for age calculator. So it's calculated one.ves, and I created another anxiety app just for anxiety alert app. That one is School Mind one.ves. So I thank Polo Club for this opportunity so far to learn new things that I've not learned before, and I'm on my way to also being a web developer through this training and going on. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Abeokuta, and I am privileged to be at the training hosted by the Abeokuta Polo Club. And I would say that I was honestly impressed by this training. I have learned how to create web apps. I have also learned how to be literate about AI, and I have been able to create about 3 apps in just 3 days of this training. I am immensely grateful to Abeokuta Polo Club. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Abdulatif Adedeji. I'm a teacher and also a data scientist. I just want to use this moment to appreciate Abeokuta Polo Club for this opportunity to have been part of the AI literacy training on vibe coding. I came here with not just the little knowledge of how to develop web application, and I'm so excited and proud that I've made the opportunity to be here. I came all the way from Ibadan to come attend this training, and trust me, sacrifice is worth it. I've learned how to develop web application. I developed one like I titled a safe space for teachers to give them mental health support, and I look forward to developing more applications. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Good everyone, my name is Adedi Abdulsatai. I'm a building contractor, a GIS analyst, and a drone pilot. First and foremost, I want to thank the Abeokuta Polo Club for this groundbreaking opportunity given me and my colleagues to learn AI efficiency, web app development, and vibe coding. These 3 are very rare knowledge that people hardly get one of each at any given opportunity such as this. But here we have 3 at the group. These 3 they are very essential in daily lives and in almost all walks of life.
My name is Debo Adeyinka, and I want to thank, the first thing to say, I want to say a big thank you to the Abeokuta Polo Club for this great privilege and opportunity, that a lot of us have to come together and to be impacted. The impact is tremendous. 3 days, we started on Monday and it's been so overwhelming. When I was coming as the first timer in tech, I know that so many people came in with some knowledge, but some of us were very new, green. So when we came, We really didn't know what to expect, but of course, we started, and like play, the first app we were able to design, we published. The second app we designed and published, and now even a blog. And these are things we learned in class, we practiced in class. We went back home, we still replicated, and it means that we can do this on our own, and we can even take it further from here. So a big thank you to the Abeokuta Polo Club. And I want to use this opportunity to also implore everyone watching, especially if you are a youth, never to miss an opportunity like this. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So if you have such an opportunity, please grab it with all hands. I want to say a big thank you once again to the Polo Club for this opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Solomon Oluwafemi. First and foremost, I want to appreciate the convener, the Abeokuta Polo Club. Also, extending my greetings to Mr. President Adams Abdurrahman and all the facilitators, right from Dr. SB Obotosho, Mr. Raphael, Mr. Samson, Samuel, and other facilitators for this wonderful program, empowering the youth, fostering their future, and empowering them on texting, AI, vibe coding, building of web application, and some other things that have been of good interest in this program.
My name is Ige Olali Peter. I'm from BIT, the same complex that the Polo organization, Abeokuta Polo Club, are using for the venue for the training of individuals to become a web designer. I really appreciate this set of people for bringing this idea to various people in the community so that we can be able to grow high and make ourselves a web designer.
Hi, good morning everyone. We are live and direct in the Ogun Tech Hub in a program that was presented by Abeokuta Polo Club. The program is about tech and how you can build a web app and vibe coding and all that. Naturally, when I came here, I have no experience and I have no idea about all vibe coding is and how to build a web app. But now I can categorically tell you that I can build a web now. I have much idea now. So I'm very, very happy, and I appreciate the host of this program, Abeokuta Polo Club. You really do a very wonderful job. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Onolapo Emmanuel, and I'm privileged to be part of this Abeokuta Polo Club training, and it has really been a great thing. First, there are some things I really do not know that I can do. What about the web creation, the app creation? I've actually not tried it out before. With this privilege, I got it, and it was quite very easy. There are some apps I was introduced to, and the introduction, the teaching, the explanation were quite simple, straight to the point, and it was very, very effective. So I look forward to a lot of things I can explore using this opportunity. And at the end of the day, I want to say a very big shout out and thanks to the Polo Club, the organizers, so much for me. And I believe that from here we will go far. Both myself and other people as well. Thank you so much.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Temitope Ogushola. I want to really appreciate Abeokuta Polo Club for organizing this beautiful training to empower youths in the state. I'm so excited to be part of this program because I came with literally zero knowledge of tech skills. But by now, at least we were taught AI literacy, vibe coding, and app web development. And by now, as I speak, I can confidently build an app which ordinarily I've been thinking it's what big people can do. But now I can literally build an app on my own. And I want to appreciate Polo Club for this. Even that's just one thing I learned today. I'm so much grateful about it. Thank you so much.